In this video, I would like to demonstrate how to install persistent backdoor on Linux systems. There are several ways how to provide persistence, for example, auto startup of custom service and script, cron jobs, injection in existing services. In this video, we will consider backdoor installation on the base of cron job. But before we start with the backdoor, let's find out something about cron. Cron is simply a task scheduler. It can run any command or scripts in predefined time period. Cron just follows instructions written in the special files for regular users and for the whole system. What are these files? Cron files of regular users are saved in given directory. For example, right now we can see cron jobs for 3 users. These files contain instructions for cron services. System cron files are located in etc directory. So what can we find in the cron file? If you open the file, you will see something like this. Let's get to know more about the structure of entries. The structure is very simple. It contains information about minutes, days, months, and command or script which must be executed. Let's look at one example. On the victim's machine, we want backdoor to be executed at 12:30 every month on Monday and Wednesday. To meet this requirement, we will create the following entry in the cron file. Asterisk means match any value. Now let's consider how to create cron job. You have two options. Just execute cron-e command and in the open text editor you can put any entries. Or you can create necessary cron instructions in the separate file and feed this file to cron-tab command. If you want to check existing cron jobs, you can try one of these commands. The first one will display cron job of the current user, and the second one will show cron job of other users. But in this case, you need to have elevated privileges. As a pen tester, you need to check existing cron jobs to hide your backdoor instructions. Okay, we know how to use cron. Now, let's try a demo. I am already connected to the victim's machine and I have root privileges. Now I need to generate a backdoor and upload it to the victim's machine. But I will try another way. I will create reverse shell using telnet client on remote machine. But first, I need to check whether telnet client is installed. Well, it is already installed almost on all distributions, but anyway, we need to be sure. So let's run the following commands. Great, telnet client is installed. On my Kali machine, I already created simple script and it looks like this. I'm going to use a pipe channel to create outgoing connection. We need to upload it on remote machine. The simplest way is to do it with the wget utility. Because Kali machine already has a simple web server, I'm going to use it for my backdoor. Now execute the following command. Our backdoor is downloaded, but we need to make it executable. Now we need to create cron job using commands from the presentation, but we will do another way. Look at this output. The files located in given folders are executed every hour, every day, and every week. It is clear from the name of folders. We can put the script in one of these folders and it will be executed. So let's place the script into this folder. And every hour the script is going to be executed. But when exactly? To answer this question, let's open the cron tab file in etc directory. And we are interested in the first entry. We can see that all the scripts in cron.hourly will be executed at 15th minute. So let's wait. In the meantime, we will launch a listener on Kali. As the listener, I'm going to use a netcat. Now let's wait for incoming connection. And we have connection. Look at time. It is 15th minute. So cron job works exactly as we expect. To make sure that we have an interactive shell, let's execute some commands. So it was one of the ways how to install persistent backdoor on Linux systems.